everyone. If you have posted a wrong profile or information on LinkedIn, or you simply want to delete a particular profile, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. And before we start, please do not forget to press the subscribe button for more videos like this. And now to start, open a web browser on your phone, such as Safari, and then go to LinkedIn and then log in to your LinkedIn account. Once you're here, just scroll down to find an information or a profile you want to delete. So for example, press the pen icon beside skills, and here you can easily delete a skill that you entered on your LinkedIn profile. So just press the X button beside the particular skill you want to delete. Now, to edit or delete an education, just again press the pencil or pen button beside a particular education and then scroll down until you see the delete education button. It's the same thing for all the other information such as recommendations, accomplishments, and volunteer experience if you have one. Just press the pencil or pen icon beside it. Another thing you can do is to press the settings button at the top right corner of your screen. Then scroll to the bottom until you see Help Center. It will lead you to this page where you'll see the option to close your account. So this will automatically delete your whole profile, including all information inside that LinkedIn profile. So just press continue, then press the reason why you want to close or delete your account. And then here you'll be asked to enter or provide more information as to why you want to close your LinkedIn account. So just type whatever your reason is and then press next. The last step is for you to enter your password, and just like that, your account will be closed, including all the information inside it. And that's all for this easy tutorial. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again next time.